Could the trade wars hurt home prices? We are starting to see some cracks in the housing market, such as the delinquency rate on FHA mortgages, which cater to the high-risk borrowers who can't qualify for a conventional mortgage because they either have a small down payment or they have weak credit. The delinquency rate for FHA currently stands at 11%, and this is according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. It has not been at this level for, I hate to say this, but 12 years. Unfortunately, and we warned against it, but many people have stretched themselves too far financially to get in a home over the last few years. Because it's only been 2 or 3 years since they bought their home, and we take into account after fees and commissions, well, they may not have that much, if any, equity built up in their home. Another area of weakness that's being seen is with home builders have really increased their incentives because they have more completed but unsold homes. The builders are getting a little bit worried because they have not seen this many homes sitting on their lots with no buyers, well, since 2009. The average incentives for home builders is usually somewhere around 5% of the total value of the home, but we are starting to see some incentives around 13% from big builders like Lennar. The volatility of the 10-year treasury, which mortgages generally trade off of, has not been helpful because it has had a very wide range trading. This then makes it difficult for home buyers to lock in a good rate. At this point in time, I think I would be waiting to buy a home until maybe, well, I'll say maybe late summer. I think there should be some good deals at that point in time, as the tariff war should continue to progress and we should have a clearer picture of the economy at that point in time. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos. And don't forget about that weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.